Hi everyone, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off outfit of the day in a very relaxed style. So today is the 2nd, tomorrow's the 3rd. I do have to return to work tomorrow, but I do have off the 4th. So today I went to the gym. They actually started earlier classes, so I went to a 7:15 class, felt good. From there, grabbed some food at Trader Joe's, came home, took off my nail polish, cut my toenails. I know you wanted to know that. Took my shower and then puddled around the house a little bit and then headed over to Target to buy some protein chips. And that's all I'm planning really to do today, and maybe do a very quick video for you as well, a couple of items that I purchased. So what am I wearing for bumming around the house? I have on this Ever Eve sleeveless sweatshirt. This is super soft, like with a French terry on the inside. It is hot and steamy outside, but I'm pretty comfortable in this. So this is good for going in and out, air conditioning and the hot outdoors. With it, I have paired this sundry skirt, also purchased from Ever Eve several years ago. It's super soft and stretchy, and it's kind of like wearing sweatpants, but with a skirt. And I have paired on my Steve Madden flip-flop slide sandals because, again, I'm just bumming around the house today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi, everyone. It is Monday, and I'm in a crummy mood today. So I got up, went to the gym, and I have to work today, and that's why I'm in a crummy mood. I do have a dermatologist appointment later this afternoon that I also have to go to, which will hopefully break up my day at least, but I'm grumpy that I have to work today. So I'm rebelling in my outfit. Today I am wearing very casual, a loft coral tank and a pair of sanctuary, like cargo style shorts that are camouflage. These are like from 2-3 years ago from a Trendsend, I believe. And yeah, this top is brand new, just took the tags off and got it at Loft. And I don't feel like dressing up for anyone or anything today. And I'll probably throw on a denim jacket to go to the dermatologist, but I also wanted to wear like shorts, so hopefully I don't have to change into the gown so she could check out my knee, which is why I am going back to see if they can get rid of the psoriasis that just does not seem to want to go away. And this, I back up to show you my flip-flops, even more casual. This is my outfit for today. Sorry it's not very inspirational. I'm just not feeling it today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, happy 4th of July. So it is Tuesday the 4th. What am I doing today? So today I went to the gym and I came home to an empty house. My family works retail, so they're both working today. And they'll be done around 2-ish. And my husband and I are going to a friend's house for a barbecue when he gets home. So I have the morning and early afternoon to myself. So I did a video trying to keep myself from shopping, which I don't think is going to work out too well. So what am I wearing today? Well, I decided to put on this Tarte collection dress that I got from Front Door Fashion. Actually, no, I got it in a Front Door Fashion. I tried it on, loved it, but I didn't want to pay full price for it, and Tarte Collection had it on sale. So I purchased it directly from Tarte Collection. This is a super soft knit dress, and I think because it has this ruching here on the side, even though it's like a bodycon style, there's extra fabric so it's not sticking to your problem spots. I love this dress, and yeah, it's navy with red stripe, and I'm wearing them with my red espadrille shoes by Vince Camuto. And this is my outfit today for the 4th of July and going to a friend's house for a barbecue. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it's July 5th, Wednesday, 7:35 in the morning, and unfortunately I am back to work today. I am looking forward to the day I retire. I just do not like going to work. I feel it's boring. And the funny thing is, I have nothing going exciting on my life on weekends. I do nothing either then, but the idea of going to work is just, I hate it. All right, so what am I wearing today? So other than work, I'm also going to get a pedicure later. It's looking to be a nice day outside. Unfortunately, we got terrible rain and thunderstorms yesterday for 4th of July. We spent the day with friends, which was nice, but of course now today seems to be like a gorgeous day. So what am I wearing? It's still hot and humid and sticky out there. I am wearing this top, this dress, I believe it's by Splendid. It's just a tank style dress and my Steve Madden neutral colored slides. This is just literally throw it on, one and done, and I really like this dress. I love the colors. Yeah, it's a comfortable summer dress for hot, sticky days, and this is what I'm wearing today. See you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and I'm trying to be quiet because my daughter's trying to sleep upstairs. So it's 7:25 a.m. The sun is starting to come out, but it's just not bright enough to do a video. So I have both my hi-hats and my ring light on this morning. Sorry for the yellowish background, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. So last night I went and got a pedicure and I actually signed up for a pickleball crash course in end of July. I need something to do with my time. My husband works weekends now and my daughter's working and I'm home alone all weekend and it's quite boring, especially after being home by myself, working from home all week. So I'm looking to meet new friends, get into some sort of activity that I enjoy, and I don't know what the heck. I don't have many hobbies other than shopping and this, so I thought I'd try pickleball. Let's see how it goes. All right, just to let you know, I'm gonna be sporting this, and you're gonna say, Carolyn, why are you doing pickleball if you have tendonitis? But I have tendonitis, or AKA tennis elbow. I'm gonna be wearing this the next month, so you're gonna see this in part of my videos. Today, I plan on, after work, getting my photo taken for my passport as it needs renewal. And other than that, I'm just working from home today. I originally had on a different pair of pants with this, and I just didn't feel it went, so I switched out to these pants. So this top is from White House Black Market. It's a vest. Can be worn as a vest or a shirt like I'm wearing it, and I think I got it 2 summers ago. The pants I got from Poshmark. They're also from White House Black Market, and they fit me perfectly. When I first got them, I was like, oh no, they're too tight in the legs. I said, I'll deal with it, but they're feeling really tight in the legs. Wore them once, they stretched out, I'd say at least a full size. So these are now perfect, and the shoes, I'm wearing my new Dolce Vita, which I received from Macy's, and this is my outfit for today. One thing I wanted to remind you all, sometimes you see things and you're like, oh, I can't afford that, or I can't do that. I'm reminding you people, there's Poshmark, there's The Real, there's ThredUp. There's so many places you can buy brand new tag items or gently used that people just don't want in their closets anymore. And you can recreate that look. Don't always get so stuck on having to buy, retail. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, I'm gonna try and be a little bit quiet because my daughter's still upstairs sleeping, although I'm probably waking her up by doing this right now. So went to the gym this morning, ran 2.7 miles, had a very good workout. Went to my nutritionist, up from the 4th of July, as to be expected because I ate terribly this week. And then I went food shopping and it's now 7:45 and filming this quickly. Tonight, I have plans to go out to dinner with my husband, local restaurant, but something new we never tried, Turkish, so we'll see how it is. What am I wearing? So it is hot as you can be out there. It is so humid, like pea soup, even at 5 a.m. when I'm at the gym. So I just threw on this Michael Stars tank dress I thought this is good to transition from work to running my errands this evening. Right now, I have them on with a pair of black flip-flop sandals by Dolce Vita from years ago. I'll probably switch these out for dinner, but this is what I'm wearing now. Again, Michael Stars tank dress, got it from Stitch Fix a couple years ago. It's a lot of ruching, and it's ribbed. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and it's already 12:30 in the afternoon and I'm coming here late to you today. So I had a gym class 6:45, came home, showered, ran to the post office because I need to renew my passport, and came back home and I booked a cruise with my husband in March. I'm so excited. We're going to the Bahamas. I have to think about what I'm going to be packing. Yeah, a little bit far off, but more shopping I could do for the cruise, right? All right, so what am I wearing today? Extremely casual. We also went out to the diner for late breakfast, brunch type of thing. I am wearing a gray loft tank, and over it I have paired a romper that is 100% cotton gauze by Eve. I think I got this last year or the year before in one of my Trendsend boxes, and I have it with a pair of my Dolce Vita flip-flop sandals that I think I wore yesterday. And I'm very casual today. I don't have any specific plans. I might run over Dick's Sporting Goods and buy some more tanks for the gym, maybe Lululemon. I need some tanks, and I haven't been finding really any. The anniversary sale hardly had any that I liked. Stitch Fix has hardly any I like. So that means I have to go out and find tanks for the gym. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Jumping on real quick, you won't see me tomorrow for another day of styling. This is the end of the video for this week. I'll start a new one tomorrow. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and if you're not already subscribed, why not? Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Take care.